what's up, Borrow Bills family? It's your boy Cool Wolf back at it again with another little video. Today we have a real life Lamborghini SVJ transformer. Right, girls?
Yeah.
You guys ready to show them?
Yeah.
Alright, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and enjoy this video.
Try guessing the color.
Yeah, if you can. Drop the color that you think it is on the comments.
No, I be blue. It might be.
Yay! Yay! You like the new toy?
Yeah.
Hold it, hold it. Leave it, leave it. Alright guys, that'll be it. Hope you guys liked the video. Gonna give you a little cinematic view of the car. Enjoy that. Thank you very much for liking and subscribing. Thanks, Borrow Bills family. Stay tuned for the next video.
Hey, Langdon, you ready?
Oh yeah, lightning's ready.